In the world of advanced materials, metal fiber felt stands out for its versatility and performance under extreme conditions. This innovative material, made from sintered metal fibers, combines durability with exceptional filtration capabilities. But what makes it so special? Metal fiber felt boasts a unique set of properties. Its high porosity and specific surface area allow for superior filtration efficiency, capturing particles effectively while maintaining flow. Designed to withstand high temperatures and resist corrosion, it offers unparalleled durability in harsh environments. The secret behind its performance lies in its manufacturing. Metal fibers, made from materials like stainless steel or titanium, are sintered together. This process, heating fibers just below their melting point, bonds them at contact points, creating a robust yet porous structure. From aerospace to automotive, chemical processing to environmental protection, metal fiber felt's applications are vast. Its ability to filter, conduct heat, and resist what makes it indispensable in high-temperature filters, catalyst support, and even noise suppression in automotive exhaust systems. In the forefront of supplying this remarkable material is Stanford Advanced Materials. With years of expertise and a commitment to innovation, SAM is your go-to source for high-quality metal fiber felts. Explore the future of advanced materials with us. Discover more at www.samaterials.com.